It will not catch fire.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country living.
As I said, the oil should not catch fire. See, while operating the engine. Fantastic. Very nice.
Take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living.
Now I am opening the refrigerator. See here. This is the milk packet. It is freezed. Solid. Ice. Now this is the engine oil. Now I am pouring oil in this after placing in the refrigerator. See, you can check the oil. It is in liquid state. Yes, fantastic. Our checks are fantastic.
On the side, PCH country living. I don't need a guide, follow the lights. Take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time.